Hi there, this is Amy with amysewingstudio.com. I am working on placemats today with corners, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to do a quick video to show you how to stitch a right angle, 90-degree right angle corner. It's actually very simple, so let's get going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start my stitching. Hopefully the machine's not going to be too loud. When you start your stitching, you always want to do a couple back stitches to secure your stitching. And I'm going to go forward, and when my needle gets down to this red dot, I'm going to make sure I keep my needles in the fabric at the red dot, so I'm able to turn the corner and start stitching in the other direction. I'm going to pull the pin out here in a minute, so we make sure that I don't stitch over the pin. And I'm also going to, when I get close to this red dot, I'm going to do a few back stitches just to secure my stitches. And my needle is now down in that dot. I actually have a button on my machine that I can push that will make the needle automatically go down when I stop stitching. If you don't have that, you will use your hand wheel to turn the needle to go down and go stitching. And I am just a little bit off my placement on my dots, so I'm going to go forward a stitch or two. I can turn, and I'm going to go forward. I'm also going to do a couple more back stitches to help secure my corner on this seam. And now I'm going to go forward and continue on with my stitching. And that is how you sew a corner, 90-degree right angle corner. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Amy with amysewingstudio.com. Have a great day. Bye.